Snowball Edge, for those who don't know what that is a hardened appliance from AWS, which has 100 terabytes of storage, but also has onboard compute that can actually run software natively on the device itself. So this is a device that AWS can ship to users for both import as well as export. And Druva is integrating natively with this device, and we're really excited about this integration here because it allows our customers to make their journey into their cloud really faster and more seamless. Talk about a couple of use cases here. One of the key use cases for our customers for this is, when a lot of our customers go through active M&A, where they go through multiple acquisitions throughout the year. And for them, the ability to import or extract large volumes of data from new locations that they acquire is extremely important, especially in short order of time. By using one of these devices, they can easily get the data into the cloud in a matter of days or hours versus doing that over several weeks. Another really exciting use case for this is customers who are looking at moving data from low bandwidth locations or remote offices and being able to do that in short order of time. The ability for them to order one of these devices right off of the Druva console is extremely attractive. So it's all completely pre-packaged. The device shows up on our customer's doorstep, and it has the Druva software pre-installed within it. So all they have to do is just plug it in, and then from there it starts exporting the data into the cloud. So really plug and play, very seamless, very cost-effective for our customers. A great example of this is Andritz, one of our customers, goes through a lot of active M&A, and for them the ability to move large volumes of data from a company that they're acquiring is really important from a legal and compliance perspective.